Enroll your child for the manifested e-learning platform and see their grades grow tremendously. These videos can be downloaded to a laptop for offline viewing or viewed from a smartphone in a cost-friendly format.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining Manifested e-learning platform. We continue from where we stopped in our last lesson. We were looking at operations on whole numbers. Today we are going to consider the third operation, the fourth operation, which is division of whole numbers. Division of whole numbers. Operations on whole numbers. Operations on whole numbers. Today we look at the division of whole numbers. Division of whole numbers. Division of whole numbers, and we start by working out some examples. Work out the following. Work out the following. 1. 42,444 divided by 324. 2. 2,956 divided by 196. 3. 56,635 divided by 235. So let's revise together, learners. Make sure you have your exercise book plus a pen. We work out together the following. So we need to divide. This is the division sign, symbol, division symbol. We write 42 inside. 42,444 divided by 324. We want to divide this number by this number. How many times does this number divide this number? So we start with the first digit. 324 cannot divide 4. We check the second digit, the first two digits. 42. 324 cannot divide 42, but it can divide 424 because 424 is greater than 324. And here we can see 324 goes into 424 once. Okay, because if you multiply by 2, it will be more than 424. So it will be more than 424. So we multiply, we try 1. So 1 times 324 is equal to 324. 324. Then we subtract 324 from 424. So this will be 0, 0, 100. 100. So 324 cannot divide 100. We bring down this 4 so that we have 4 there. And then we divide 1004 by 324. 1004 by 324. 4 goes into 1004 how many times? 324. This around 3 times. Because if we multiply, we need to multiply so that the number we get should be either 1400, 1004, or close to 1004. So 324 times 3, we have 2 here. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. then 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So 3, here we write 3, then 972, 972, 972, 3 goes into 1004, 3 times, remainder 2 here, 4 minus 2, 2, then we have 10 minus 7, 3, then we have 10 hundredths minus 9, which is 0. Okay, 0. So this 0 has no meaning, so we don't need to write it there. The answer here is 32. So 32 is less than 324, so we bring down these 4, so that we'll have 4 here. Then you can see 324 goes into 324 once. So we have 1 times 324 gives us 324. So we have 0, 0, 0. So the answer here is 324. The answer is 131. The answer is 131. Then let's divide number 2. We are dividing dividing here 2956 divided by 196. 196 divided by 196. So 196 goes into 295. How many times? 196. So we have 295 divided by 196. 196 goes here. How many times? 196. Let's try 2. This will be more. So it can only be once. So we have 1 times 196 giving us 196 here. Then we subtract. Subtract here. Have 9. Then 9, 99. So 295 minus 196 is equal to 99, which is less than 196. So we bring down this 6 so that we have 996. So 996 goes into 196 goes into 996. How many times? How many times? So you try. We're going to try here. 4. Okay, 4. This will be 6 times 4, 4. 9 times carry 2. 9 times 4, 36 plus 2, 8. Then carry 3. 1 times 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So let's try. The number you get must be either 996 or close to 996. So let's try 196 times 5. 96 times 5. 5 times 6, 30, write 0, carry 3. 9 times 5, 45 plus 3, 48, write 8, carry 4. Then 1 times 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9. This is close. Okay, it's close to 996. So the answer is 5. Then 980. 980. So after dividing that, we get the difference here. Have 6, 1. So there is no number to divide further. the answer in this case will be, the answer will be 15 remainder 16. So there is remainder here 16. The answer is 15 remainder 16. 2956 divided by 196 is equal to 15 remainder 16. There is a remainder here. So that is number 2. Let's do number 3. We divide 56,635 divided by 235. So we take the first 3 digits. How many times does 235 go into 526? Is it 2 times? Let's try 2. This is 0. 6 plus 1, 7, then 4. Okay, it has to be 566 or close to. So let's try 235 times 3. 235 times 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 carry 1. Then 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10, write 0, carry 1. 2 times 3, 6. So this one is beyond this number, which means the right number is 2, and 2 times 235 is equal to 470. 470. Then we subtract. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 7, not possible. We borrow 1 here. We borrow from the hundreds. These are hundreds. We borrow 100. Then we add here to get 10 tenths plus 6 tenths. 16 tenths minus 7, 9. So we bring these 3 down. Then we get a number. If you multiply by 235, should give us 966 or close to 966. That is a number that we can divide by 235. So 235, how many times does 235 go into 963? Let's try 4. 5 times 4, 20, 0, carry 2. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14, carry 4. Write 4, carry 1. 2 times 4 plus 1, 9. So this 940 is close to 963. So we write here 4. 4 times that will give us 940. Then we subtract. Subtract 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. Bring down this 5. Have 5 here. 235 goes into 235 once. So 1 times 235 is 235. This number has been divided completely. So the answer here is 241. 241 is the answer. When you divide 56,635 by 235, the answer is 241. 241. So learners, you have done 3 questions. I want us to try word problem. Word problem. Question number 5. I read. A chapter in a book is made up of 5,940 words. If there are 396 words in each page, how many pages does the chapter have? How many pages does the chapter have? How many pages does the chapter have? A chapter in a book. Chapter in a book. A chapter in a book is like this one here. Chapter 1 is whole numbers. Okay, chapter 1 is whole numbers. So say a chapter has various pages. Okay, so the question here is, a chapter in a book has is made up of 5,940 words. This means that if you are to count the words in this chapter, the words in the chapter, page 1 we have words, page 2 count the words, we are told that that chapter is made up of 5,940 words. Now we are also told if there are 396 words in each page. Okay, so the total chapter is 5,940 words, but on each page, one page, how many words are there? There are 396 words. So the question is, how many pages does the chapter have? How many pages does the chapter have? Now when reading, when solving a word problem, we say that first you need to understand the question, then find out the operation that is required to solve the problem. To solve the problem. So here, this is question 5. Question 5. Question 5. 396 words are contained in one chapter. That's the information we have. 396 words are contained in one chapter. Therefore, the 5,940 words will give us how many chapters? So that is the question, learners. If 396 words make a chapter, then how many words will give, how many chapters will 5,940 words give us? So here, learners, we will take the 5,940 words, we divide by the 396 words, okay, then we multiply by one chapter. We multiply by the chapter. So these words cancel with this word. So we only need to divide 5,940 by 396 to get the chapters. So division. This is equal to 3 is equal to 540 divided by 396. When you have a line here, it means you are dividing the numerator by the denominator. So let's divide here. We have 5,940 divided by 396. So 396 cannot go into 5, 396 cannot go into 9, but 396 can go into 594. How many times? 96 can go here. If you write twice, then it means this will be 6, which is above 5 here. So the number here is 1. 396 goes into 594 once, so we'll have 396 here minus you have 8, 9, 1. Bring down the 0, because this number is less than this. Bring down this 0 so that we have 1980. 396 goes into 1980 how many times? 19. This is you can try 5. Okay, 5 times 6, 30, write 3, carry 3, write 0, carry 3. 9 times 5, 45, plus 3, 48, write 8, carry 4, carry 4. 3 times 5, 15, plus 4, 19. So here we have 5, giving us 1980. There's nothing else to divide here. So the answer is 15 chapters. 15 chapters. So the question is, if there are 396 words in each page, how many pages does the chapter have? If there are 396 words in each page, how many pages does the chapter have? So the answer is 15 chapters. 15 chapters. So learners, that will mark the end of our today's lesson, where we have revised the operation known as division. Now let me give you assignment. This will be your homework. This you do it at home. Exercise. This is exercise 9. This is your assignment. Assignment exercise 9. Go and do question 1 B up to H, then question 2, question 3, question 4, then we have the word problems. You must attempt the word problems. We have done question 5 together, so you go to question 6 up to question 9. Go and do all the questions that are written on the board before you attend our next lesson. Then in case you'll have any problem answering these questions, write to us. Go below this video, go online below this video, write to us, and we'll help you answer any of the questions that you find not easy. Bye-bye.
Manifested Publishers Limited is a research and teaching center that specializes in the production of learning materials and private online tuition for primary, secondary, tertiary, and university education. Sign up as a new customer at www.manifestedpublishers.com. Fill in the required credentials, full name, email, phone number, and password. Click on Sign Up. Enter the code received on your phone or email address for verification of your account, then proceed by clicking on Confirm button. Your account is ready for use.